What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? It's your boy Ty, back with another banger. So check this out. Today, I just want to go ahead and settle the debate. A lot of people have been asking, which phone is better to trade on? Is it the Samsung or is it the Android? Or are they the iPhones? So today, what I will do is discuss both phones, right, in detail, and we'll talk about which one is better. So let's first start off with the Samsung or the Android. So what I like about the Android, right, as a trading phone, well, on this one in particular, it has a pin. All right, so it's just a Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Okay, so it has a pin to it. All right, so pull the pin out, and I am able to, let me go ahead and pull up the charts right now. So I'm able to like scroll like this, do my scrolls in and out, obviously. But what's dope is you can use the pin tool, right, to do like this. Either I can, like, let's say I want to draw like a rectangle or something, right? So this is all with the pen. I think this is like, it's really dope and effective, especially if you're like, you know, if you like efficiency, your thumb doesn't get in the way. It's kind of really finite, you know what I'm saying? So you can really press, your thumb doesn't get in the way. So I think this is a really dope trading phone. So it's kind of what you see me just kind of marking my zones like this. See how finite you can get with it, you know what I mean? So this is one reason why, you know, I like this phone to trade with, just because like it's really cool, you know what I mean? It's an Android. It has fully customizable features, not speaking in terms of Metatrader, but I'm speaking in terms of, you know, you don't have to jailbreak it like as you would with a you know, with the iPhone. Like with the iPhone, you have to, you know, jailbreak your phone and everything like that. So I'm gonna pull up the iPhone in a minute, but I'm just gonna talk more about the features and the Android and, you know, the capabilities. So with this one in particular, right, the Samsung, let me go ahead and pull up the charts again. All right. So with the Samsung, so there's this little tab on the side, right, and it has like a little pin. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a little pin right there. All right. So I can click on that, and then it'll let me do something called screen write. So I'll scroll up. I know they probably have the writing stuff on iPhone. I probably don't know all the full capabilities of the iPhone just yet, because I'm not a full-on iPhone user. I just got back into the iPhone family a few months ago. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, early on I was like a big iPhone user. I stopped using the iPhone at like the 4G, I think 4G or 5G, whichever one knows where, or the iPhone, I don't know. Remember iPhone 3G and then iPhone 4G came out, so around that time then I just switched to Android, you know what I mean? So but about this feature, right, click right here, you go to screen write, bam. So it takes a picture of the screen, right, and then it allows you to like write and draw on the screen. So I can like draw things, draw support and resistance, you know, and then even like when, you know, I'm just sending out trades and stuff like that and tapping in with people, it's like I like being able to draw, and then I can like write. So I could be like hey, you know, this is, you know, some consolidation, so don't, you know, don't trade in or around that area, or, you know, this is a doji, or, you know, whatever it is that I want to explain. So like this pen tool allows me to kind of, you know, just really be, I feel like, more elaborate on the charts, you know what I mean? So let's talk about the specs. I got to pull the specs up. You know, I'm not a big guy on the whole specs when it comes to like the Android stuff, so I have to actually go in and then check the info. So I'm going to give you the specs of this joint right now. All right, so obviously a Galaxy Note 10 Plus. All right, let's go to the software. All right, I guess the software doesn't matter. Yeah, so it's a Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I was trying to look for the specs, like 32 gigs and all of that stuff, but I don't know where to find that in the phone. All right, so that's what it looks like. All right, that's what it looks like. I know I have my case on there, but my phone that dropped, so I ended up like breaking my case. So now it's like this, but it did its job. It didn't break the phone, so gotta get a new case for it. But this is the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. I like this phone to trade on. So now let's talk about the iPhone, right? Let's talk about the iPhone. So go ahead and you know, I had the iPhone in like this little case right here. You know, this is the case I had in there. But let's talk about the iPhone. All right. So go ahead and unlock it really quick. Battery's kind of dead right now, but I'll pull up my trade stuff. All right, so it's the iPhone. All right, I changed my colors on here. You know, really sleek. All right, the camera's amazing too. So sometimes, like, I may, instead of using the camera right here, I may just do my YouTube videos right off the iPhone. You know what I mean? Like, on the go, on the fly. Like I'm just really changing the way I do content. Okay, so now like with the iPhone, yes, you have to use like your fingers, you know, to get as finite as you want. You still have to like tap on the screen, then it gives you, you know, the scroll up option at the bottom. Now, you know, I feel like it's more organized than the Android, but the Android has that scroll wheel. Like, so this is the iPhone, right? And we could do a comparison right now, like which option is easier. Right here, if I wanted to go to indicators, objects, or settings or anything, like I would have to, you know, click which one, then it would like categorize it. So let's say I went to indicators, boom, it would have to like categorize it, or sorry, I went to indicators, boom, it would have to like categorize it and stuff like that, right? That's with the iPhone. But even if I wanted to draw anything on the chart, so I had to, you know, click on the screen, like we're doing a comparison right now, right? So I have to click on the screen, and you can see the screen on the screen. It's funny, Inception, right? Click on the screen, and then boom, I will have to go to objects, and then it will allow me to be able to draw my objects on, you know, like that. So I know it's the screen on the screen, so I'm gonna try to like move it like that so it doesn't have a glare, but those are the objects like that. All right, so there it is. I'm gonna adjust this up. All right, so now with this, right, a Galaxy Note. Now what's dope about this, let's go back to the Metatrader. Right, let's go back to the Metatrader. What's dope about this, so back at the Metatrader, right? I know this one is black and white, this one's more colorful. Like I said, I like them both, you know what I mean? But so once I go ahead and pull this out, boom, automatically it gives me a menu, like if I want to write on the screen or anything like that, right? As soon as I pull out the pen. So even if I seen something that was like, you know what, I just want to, you know, mark it up without having all the objects and stuff, it allows me to like mark up the charts, you know, without having all the objects and all the stuff like that. And I could be like, oh man, well I feel like if it breaks underneath this zone, then bam, 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 okay, cool, bam, and I'll go ahead and eat like that. As soon as the market drop or whatever like that, and then boom, what's your favorite pair? You know what I mean? I can go ahead and, you know, tell all the pairs and stuff. This is what I was looking at, was the dollar index, you know what I mean? But this is me just writing on the screen and really exploring and showing you the options. All right, so another thing, let's click it, like, well, one click, scroll wheel. We can pretty much go straight to all the settings, straight to all the hour. You could change the hours, you could change the times, the objects is literally right there, you know what I mean, without even having to press anything. So, you know, like I said, it's really up to you which phone, you feel me? Like, this is a side-by-side comparison. The scroll wheel, or I had to click on the option, I had to click on, you know, I had to click on a few different things before I actually got to, you know, the iPhone. So, you know, I would say, you know, honestly, you know, I would say the Android is better. The Samsung Galaxy Note is better just because of, you know, that scroll wheel option, you being able to, you know, click on things and really get extremely finite, especially if you're gonna do like Forex or stuff like that. Still, you know, you have your desktop option, you have your mobile tablet options, you have your tablet options, you feel me? But it's truly up to you on what you feel most comfortable with, you know, is what you feel most comfortable with. But me personally, like I said, like I did a side-by-side comparison, so it's like really, you know, let's get a little thumbnail or something. Let's do a thumbnail like something like that, I don't know. But really, you know, we got the side-by-side comparison, so you'll know. Now, operating systems, like I said, I don't know too much about the iPhone operating system other than this is just iPhone 12 Pro Max, and then this is just a Samsung Galaxy Note 10. It's fully, like, it has the full, I think, whatever the max is on this one with the memory or whatever, that's what's inside of this one. All right, so these are the two trade phones right here. All right, so like I said, this is side-by-side comparison. I would say, you know, go pick a phone really that's adjacent to your trading style. Like maybe you like the Android option where you can use the pen tool, you know what I mean, and really, you know, kind of tap and kind of tap and go. I feel like the tap and go is like, I like it because it's cool for somebody like me, you know what I mean? And then iPhone, like I love the iPhone too, sometimes just because like it's just simple, it's fluid. So I might just boom, put a trade, and it's easier not to look at it because like I don't have to tap and draw and do all the extra stuff. So I can really just boom, set a trade and forget it. And it's like sometimes, you know, I may leave my iPhone somewhere like, oh, downstairs or something, and it's like, oh shit, like you forget the trade is in, you know what I mean? Wake up and it's like, hey, hit TP. Okay, so that's my comparison, and that's my thoughts about, you know, which phone is better between the iPhone and the Android. Now what you can do is smash that like button. You feel me? If you like more of these videos, I do like some dope little tech reviews and stuff like that. Maybe we'll do, I don't know, like I said, I got a lot of dope ideas. But like I said, iPhone versus Android. In the comments, let me know which one you guys use, what type of phone you use to trade on, or if you're even a mobile trader or a PC or a tablet. Just let me know. Do you like to trade on the go? Do you like to have a home setup? In the comment section, let me know. Let's connect. I'm reading the comments. I'm tapped in. I'll respond back to a few. Once again, make sure to smash that like button for more videos. It's your boy Ty, and I'm out. Peace.